nice fucking day. Too bad I had to work. I love these trucks. Yes. What for mess do we have in here? Oh yeah, transmission fluid. Look at it. Oh, nice. Automatics can be a torch and a torture device, if I can speak, and a savior at the same fucking time. Because if your fucking clutch leg's broke, you can still drive an automatic. Yeah. Well, that was about all the cold start I can get. Well, look at the temperature over here. See what it was. See what it is in here anyway. Do. What's it say? 70 fucking degrees. Look at that shit. I don't know if you can see it on the camera or not. 70 motherfucking degrees. Wow. April is here, everybody. I got a little bit of a mess here to clean up. I thought it was worse than this under here. I must have cleaned it up once before. Oh, whatever. But anywho, I would say that bitch is probably low on tranny fluid. I'm surprised it even moved back out of here. But I think I just might put some fluid in it. Take it over the hill and back, maybe. Maybe. I can't spin the tires. There ain't much tire left on the back up to spin. I spun the shit out of it last summer. So, and previous summers when I just got it out and ran it up and down the road, that was still had the flatbed on it. But yes, we're gonna run her up and down the road here a little bit. All right, everybody. It's a Tuesday evening, and that's all I got for you. And I want to apologize for the last video, because I was fired up and pissed. Just want to touch base on that subject one more time. I was fired up. I said shit that I shouldn't have said, I guess. But when you're pissed off, you say dumb shit. But I ordered another starter from CarQuest, same place. I talked to my friend that works there. The guy has been working there for like 30 years with in the auto parts business, and he ordered me 2 starters. So we're going to check out each one. We're going to look at one from 1970 and one from 1986, and we're going to see what the differences are when I take the old one up and compare them. Because for some reason, there's a whole bunch of different ones that GM made. They made them for every fucking engine, and they're a little different from each other, like different, like the bodies are different lengths and shit, which is weird. So, but anyhow, I mean, they did come out of their way and they helped me out. So they did a great thing for me. Now I can't get anything till Friday because I can't get the fuck home here soon enough to get up the road here to the place. I mean, they're like a 10-minute drive away for me, but I can't make it from where I'm at to up there before they close. So it's just a little bit further from, you know, my workplace. But anyhow, we're going to get it. We're going to get the right one. We're going to get it on there, and we're going to get this done. And it will be Friday. My next video will be Friday. So I'm going to leave you with the truck. And like, share, comment, subscribe. Which truck needs carburetor, by the way? That'll be next.